Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to log out from IQIYI account. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your IQIYI application, which of course I've done right here. The next one is where exactly can you find IQIYI in case you are wondering. Now you can get it on Apple Store or Google Play Store depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those apps and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type IQIYI and follow through the on-screen instructions to either download or to install. After installing, it's going to take you right into this application. That's the home page. It looks like this. So check the bottom right corner of your screen. You're going to see the Me icon. Click on the Me icon and take you to the other window where you have login/sign up button at the top of the window. So click on that and follow through with the prompt to log in or to sign up. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the app. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to log out from the IQIYI account. So after logging in, let's say you have explored all of the features, you've seen your movie, and you just want to log out, you just want to take a break for a while. Here's what you can do. From this home page, check the bottom corner of your screen. You have Home, Explore, Short, Download, and Me. So click on the Me icon and it takes you right into this window where you have My List, you have History, IQIYI Rewards, you have Language, Subtitle Translation Settings, FAQ, and Feedback. For you to log out, go ahead and click on Settings, and once you click on Settings, it takes you into this window where you have Account and Security, Playback and Download, Parental Controls, you have Privacy, you have Clear Cache, you have Check for Updates, Switch Account, and Logout. So go ahead and click on this Logout button that you have right here. I don't want to click on that because I still have a lot of work to do in here. So go ahead and click on Logout. And once you go ahead and click on logout, you can see that you will be logged out of your IQIYI account. So all you need to do is to follow through the existing prompt to log in again using your existing details. So click on logout in here and you will be logged out of the app. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.